stand up if you want to. Oh, they can go to
Hi there, welcome to Story Time with Uncle Bill.
Yeah, don't grab the rig, Bill.
Huh?
Don't ever try to grab it there.
Got something coming up. Oh, yeah. Oh, catfish.
Nah, it's bowfin.
You sure?
Yeah,
Oh, mudfish.
just like them snakeheads.
Oh, God, no.
You don't know. They come off.
No, don't get him in there, Bill.
No?
Yeah,
Oh,
don't
no,
use that
he'll
net
wrap
either,
it.
man.
Yeah,
He'll
he'll
tear
wrap
that net on
himself up
hell.
with that thing.
Really? Check him out, folks.
You get a good picture of him. He ain't tear his head, is he? Those are fighting son of a bitches, boy.
Yeah, he's a pretty one.
I think that's a teeth now. He'll chomp you up.
Oh. Here we go, folks. Big old sucker. Got my man Plumber Bill right there. Got him off right quick. Out here on the new river. Everybody caught a fish but me. Let's see. Yeah. No, man, I ain't caught a lot of bowfin. Hope everybody's having a good day and staying safe. We'll be right back. Peace.